Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video we will see how we can delete files from Azure storage account. Okay, so here we have created one Azure storage account and we have created this container file upload, and we have few files over here, so we will see how we can delete those using ASP.NET Core. Okay, so we have this API project, so you can also take a normal web project and that will also work fine. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to project and manage nugget packages. So we have to include these two packages first, Azure.Storage.Blobs and Microsoft.Visual Studio.Azure.Container.Tools.Targets. So these two packages you will require for using the Azure storage account and accessing that from your C# code. Okay. So once we install those two packages, now we will go to create one new class file, Azure.Storage.cs. Okay, so this one we will provide you the code, so don't you worry about that. So in this file we are getting the connection string for blob storage account and also the container name. So we have stored this in the app setting file, and here you can see the connection string, and this is the container name that we just seen earlier. So now if you don't know how you can get those two values, so what you have to do is you have to go to your storage account. So this is our storage account, so you can see storage account over here. So once you go inside that, you will be able to see the access keys option over here. So in the access keys you will see this connection string option, so you can click on show and copy the connection string from here. Okay, so we have copied and pasted that here in the app setting, and that is what we are using in the Azure storage file. Okay, so we also have this interface over here. So here we have just one method, delete sync. So we have this method created for deleting the file, so it only requires the file name. Okay, so we are using that over here, and now so this is the code that we have used for deleting the file. So you can see that we have to initialize the blob container client, and it requires the two values that we have just seen in the app setting. So once you provide that, then you will also need the file name which you want to delete. Okay, so then it will get the file and it will be able to delete the file using this delete sync command. Okay, so we will see that how it goes, and now which name you will need to delete that is what we have to see. So we will again go to the Azure account and the containers. You will be able to see your container name, file upload, and so here are three files, so we can try to delete any of them. So to copy the name, we will click on that and copy the name from here, demo1.png. okay, so now because this is a API project, so it will run and we will be able to use the API using Swagger. So this is the API and it only requires the file name, so we will just paste the file name which we just seen in the container. So you can click on execute. So here it will go and call the method which we just seen, so you have to use this over here to access that method. And now we will go inside this, and here we will get the connection string and the container name is file upload. Okay, so now it is getting the file and it is deleting the file over here. So now since the file is deleted, if you go to your Azure account again, and we will just cancel this from here, and now if we refresh, then the file must be deleted. So demo1.png we must not be able to see after refresh. So you can see that the file is deleted from here. So this is how you can delete the file from Azure storage account using ASP.NET Core. Now one thing that we missed in this is that you have to you have to add this in the program.cs file, or if you are using earlier version of .NET Core, then you have to do this in the startup.cs file. So here we are just initializing this, and that's why we can use that in the controller. Okay, so you have to remember that. And now if you need the code part for this, then what you can do is you can go to our official website code2night.com. So we will also attach you a direct link to get over there, and so you don't have to worry much about this. So here on the right side you will be able to see how to delete files to Azure Blob Storage in ASP.NET Core. So you can open up this blog. So here you will be see everything which we just seen in the video. So it is the same code that we have just seen the demo. Okay, so if you still face any kind of issue, then you can comment on the video. So thanks for watching, guys.